Okay, to create here or add your messenger chatbot here on WordPress is pretty easy. So we're gonna go to the bot for website. We're gonna go to Facebook chatbot. We're gonna go to bot for website. You're gonna create here a bot for the website. So I already have created here a bot for the website, but it's pretty simple because you're gonna select here the bot name, the page. You will also require to add like the flow. So you need to select the flow. The flow is like the messages you want to send to the user, okay? So after that, you're gonna click on embed. You can do it from here, or if you go to the buffer website, if you already created from here, you can go and click over here, okay? So you can see that you need to copy this code into the head section of your site, okay? If we go to my site here on WordPress, I already installed a plugin to be able to install scripts inside the headers and the footers. I'm going to show you which is the plugin that I used. So I use this plugin, which is insert header and footers. That's the name. So let's go and find it so you can see the icon. Okay, so this is the one. So this is basically the script that I just installed on my WordPress site. So we're gonna go into that plugin. So I'm gonna go to settings and insert headers and footers. Okay, so I'm gonna add that script that is being displayed here. Okay, I'm gonna copy to my clipboard and add it to the head section. So we're gonna go here, find the header, and if I already have like a code here, I'm just gonna press enter like to add a new line. So I will be adding the chatbot here. An additional step that you have to do is I'm gonna click save. The additional step you have to do is like you have to add the URL of your WordPress site into Messenger Chatbot has the whitelist. Okay, because if you do not have the domain added into the whitelist on Messenger Chatbot, it will not be displayed. So you have to go Messenger Chatbot. You can see that you have the whitelisted domains here. So you will need to add the domain here. So it's just show you how to add the domain. So I'm just gonna click here on how. Okay, it will take me to this page. I'm gonna open the URL. So I will be adding my domain or the domain of the URL of the WordPress site. Since I don't have any domain connected on this WordPress site, just gonna use the URL that is provided by Builderall. Okay, so we're gonna go to Facebook, and I will be adding that that domain here. So please keep in mind that if you don't have any domain connected yet on your WordPress site, okay, and you add it later, you can do it. But you need to go over here and add a domain here. Okay, you can later connect a domain into the WordPress site, but as soon as you connect it, the chatbot will start working, and you will need to go into Facebook here and add a domain. So I'm gonna click on save. So I already have my chatbot added into my WordPress site. See dashboard. Let's double check that my script is there. It is there. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my WordPress site. So let's check the actual website. So let's go to open site. So after the chatbot is loaded, you can see that it's showing it here. So I can click over here, continue, has my name, and I already have my chatbot included into my WordPress site. You can see that I already have a flow that will say click at the bottom below to purchase my product, which is just a test. So this is how basically you add your professional messenger chatbot on WordPress.